Right, for example 8, we're expanding complex logarithmic expressions. We want to be able to expand the log of base 6 with a numerator of 64 times x cubed times a quantity 4x plus 1 divided by the quantity of 2x minus 1. Now the first thing we can do is we can expand by applying the product and quotient rules. So what we can do is, since we know that we have a division, we can then have the numerator, which is the log of base 6 of 64 times x cubed times 4x plus 1. And then we're going to subtract the log of base 6 of what's in the denominator, which is the quantity of 2x minus 1. And then we're going to apply the quotient rule. So here we have a multiplication, so we can expand that with addition. So we have the log of base 6 of 64 plus the log of base 6 of x cubed plus the log of base 6 of the quantity 4x plus 1. And then we're going to be subtracting one term, so it's going to be minus the log of base 6 of 2x minus 1. And then what we want to do is we want to be able to simplify by writing 64 as 2 to the 6th power. So in step 3, 64 now goes from 2 to the 6th power. So the log of base 6 of 2 to the 6th power plus the log of base 6 of x cubed plus the log of base 6 of 4x plus 1 minus the log of base 6 of 2x minus 1. And then what we're going to do now is we're going to rewrite these two scenarios using the power rule. So we're going to apply the power rule. So now this becomes 6 times the log of base 6 of 2 plus 3 times the log of base 6 of x plus the log of base 6 of 4x plus 1 minus the log of base 6 of 2x minus 1.